Hello, I'm Fiona Blyth. I'm a Professor of Public Health and Pain Medicine at the University of Sydney, Australia. My work focuses on understanding the impact of pain at a population and societal level, and using this work towards reducing the community burden of pain. They will gain an appreciation of the fact that pain is a leading contributor to the global burden of disability, an understanding of the main contributors and drivers of this pain burden, and the global challenges of reducing this burden so people around the world can participate fully in their lives. Hearing about the new frontiers of ideas and knowledge about pain and its treatment. It is the broadest in scope, and in addition to the intellectual banquet on offer, it allows me to connect with the international pain community. And what's not to like about Boston?